Grow delicious melons at home. A beginner's guide. Imagine biting into a juicy, sun-ripened melon, bursting with flavor, straight from your own garden. Sounds amazing, right? Well, you can make it a reality. In this video, we'll guide you through everything you need to know to grow delicious melons at home, even if you're a complete beginner. Selecting the right melon variety is the first step towards a successful harvest. Not all melons are created equal, and some are better suited for certain climates and growing conditions than others. Let's explore some popular melon choices. Watermelons are a classic summer favorite, while cantaloupes offer a sweet and aromatic flavor. Honeydew melons are known for their smooth, pale green flesh, and muskmelons provide a unique and complex taste. Consider your climate, available space, and personal preferences when choosing a melon variety. If you have a short growing season, opt for a faster maturing variety. If space is limited, consider growing smaller melon varieties or using trellises. Here are some examples of different melon varieties. We have a classic watermelon, a vibrant cantaloupe, a smooth honeydew, and a fragrant muskmelon. Each offers a unique taste and texture, so choose the ones that appeal to you the most. Melons are warm weather crops, so timing is crucial for successful growth. They thrive in warm temperatures and require plenty of sunshine. The ideal soil temperature for planting melons is at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Planting too early in cool soil can lead to poor germination and stunted growth. If you live in an area with a short growing season, start your melon seeds indoors 2-3 weeks before the last expected frost. This will give them a head start and allow them to mature before the weather cools down. For direct sowing outdoors, wait until the weather warms up and the soil temperature reaches at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit. This will ensure optimal germination and growth. Choosing the right location is essential for growing healthy and productive melon plants. Melons need plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil to thrive. Sunlight is crucial for melon growth and fruit development. Aim for a location that receives at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Well-drained soil is also essential to prevent root rot and other soil-borne diseases. Melons don't like to sit in soggy soil. Improve your soil by adding compost or well-rotted manure. This will improve fertility, drainage, and overall soil health, creating the perfect environment for your melon plants. Proper planting and spacing are crucial for allowing your melon plants to thrive. Give them enough room to grow and spread. Plant melon seeds about 1/2 inch deep in the soil. Gently cover the seeds with soil and water thoroughly. Space melon plants 2-3 feet apart to allow for adequate air circulation and sunlight penetration. This will help prevent disease and promote healthy growth. Remember that melon vines need plenty of room to spread. If you're growing them in a small space, consider using trellises to support the vines and keep the fruits off the ground. Let's demonstrate how to plant melon seeds. We'll create a small hole, drop in the seed, cover it gently, and water it in. It's that simple. Melons are thirsty plants and require consistent watering, especially during hot weather. However, avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Water deeply and regularly, especially during dry spells. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot and other fungal diseases. Water at the base of the plant to avoid wetting the foliage, which can also promote disease. Fertilize your melon plants every 2-3 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. This will provide them with the nutrients they need to grow and produce delicious fruits. Melons can grow large and heavy, so providing support is essential, especially for vining varieties. Trellising can help keep the fruits off the ground and prevent rotting. Providing support is crucial to prevent the fruits from rotting on the ground and to save space in your garden. Trellising offers several benefits, including keeping the vines off the ground, improving air circulation, and preventing rotting. It also makes harvesting easier. Here are some examples of trellising methods. You can use a simple A-frame trellis, a sturdy wire mesh trellis, or even a DIY trellis made from bamboo stakes. Choose the method that works best for your space and melon variety. Melons are susceptible to various pests and diseases, so it's important to take preventative measures and address any problems promptly. Common melon pests include aphids, squash bugs, and cucumber beetles. These pests can damage the leaves and fruits of your melon plants. Use organic pest control methods such as insecticidal soap or neem oil to control pests. These methods are safe for your plants and the environment. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests or disease. Early detection is key to preventing serious problems. Knowing when to harvest your melons is crucial for enjoying their peak flavor and sweetness. Look for signs of ripeness, such as a hollow sound when thumped and a stem that detaches easily. Melons are generally ready to harvest when they sound hollow when thumped. This indicates that the flesh is ripe and juicy. Another sign of ripeness is when the stem detaches easily from the fruit. This indicates that the melon is fully mature. Let's demonstrate how to check for ripeness. We'll gently thump the melon and listen for a hollow sound. We'll also check the stem to see if it detaches easily. Congratulations! You've harvested your homegrown melons. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Enjoy your melons fresh, sliced, or cubed. They're a delicious and refreshing treat on a hot summer day. Use your melons in salads, smoothies, or desserts. The possibilities are endless. Here's a bonus tip. Cover your melons with clear plastic for a few days before harvesting. This traps heat and enhances the sugar content, resulting in even sweeter and more flavorful melons. Here are some examples of ways to enjoy your harvested melons. We have a refreshing melon salad, a creamy melon smoothie, and a simple plate of sliced melon. Enjoy! Growing melons at home is a rewarding experience that allows you to enjoy fresh, delicious, and healthy fruits. With a little planning and care, you can successfully grow melons in your own backyard. Remember, growing melons at home is a rewarding experience. You'll enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting your own delicious fruits. Now it's your turn. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. We'll help you grow the garden of your dreams.